Want to know the best LinkedIn profile tips to get more views to your profile and get recruiters coming to you? I've got you covered. In this video, I'm going to share expert insights that you can use to boost your LinkedIn profile, but also some new features that LinkedIn has rolled out that you can leverage to get noticed. Before we get into it, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel because I post weekly content to help you along every step of your journey toward landing your dream job. Click that bell to be notified whenever I drop a new video because I don't want you to miss a beat. If you are new to LinkedIn or you simply want to leverage LinkedIn even more in your job search, give me about 10 seconds to show you how powerful this platform really is. At the time of this video, LinkedIn has about 700 million users. 40 million users use LinkedIn each week to search for jobs. Somebody is hired on LinkedIn every 3 minutes into a new role, and there are about 55 million companies on the platform. That just goes to show how powerful the platform is for candidates like you who want to level up their personal brand and use it to land their next opportunity. Let's get into the 3 steps to make your profile stand out. Number 1, you want to optimize what people see first. Before people enter your full profile, there's 2 things that they see. Number 1 is your headshot or your profile picture, and the second is your headline. Of course, you want to have a great profile picture or headshot. Make sure that you are clearly visible, that there's no distractions, and that you have good lighting. Watch this video next to learn more about how to create a great LinkedIn profile picture. For your headline, you want to make sure that you have strategic keywords inserted, so when somebody goes and searches for those specific keywords, your profile shows up. I always tell candidates to brand yourself for the roles that you want. So if you want a tech marketer role, you need to have the keyword tech marketer in your headline. These 2 things are so important because they're actually going to entice people to want to click on your profile to learn more about you. And if you haven't done a good job of making your profile enticing through your headshots and through your headline, people are not going to click to see more. So make sure that you have this checked. Number 2, use media to make your profile pop. LinkedIn gives you the ability to really customize your profile so that people can learn more about you beyond just your professional experience. Adding media to your LinkedIn profile gives your profile an extra layer of personality, and it could really help you stand out. Most people don't use media in their profile. So if you can leverage it as a job seeker, you can really make yourself stand out. 3 ways you can add media to your profile. The first is your banner. So when people enter your full profile, your banner sits directly behind your profile picture, and it gives you an opportunity to showcase your interests, your personality, and to get creative. Watch this video next to learn how you can create your own custom LinkedIn banner. The second way you can add media is through the featured section of your profile in LinkedIn. Here, you could showcase more of your work. You could add images, links to external websites, maybe your portfolio. You can also showcase blogs and other areas where you can speak more about your work. Leverage this part of your profile. Not only does it sit very close to the top when people are scrolling, it also adds an extra layer of depth when an employer can see more about you and your work through tangible examples. And the third way that you can add media to your profile to stand out is through a new feature that LinkedIn has dropped called LinkedIn Cover Stories. Your LinkedIn cover story gives you the ability to create a video to introduce yourself to the person watching or the person that views your profile, and it sits in your profile picture and you can customize it. As a job seeker, you could use this unique opportunity to create a video that showcases your communication skills, your personality, and your unique value proposition. Think of this as your elevator pitch. I don't see many job seekers utilizing this feature, so if you can use it, you will for sure stand out. Let's have a look how to create your LinkedIn cover story. Okay, so you are going to log into your LinkedIn profile app on your phone. This feature is only available to do on your phone. It's the only feature that LinkedIn has rolled out. So I'm going to click the plus sign that is next to my profile picture. It gives you an ability to either view or edit your profile photo, add cover story, or add a frame. So I'm going to click add cover story. From there, you could see the video itself. It's going to allow me to actually record a video. So I'm going to record a brief introduction and I'm going to upload it. Hey there, my name is Cindy Makita Dodd, career strategist and coach, So excited that you are on my profile. You could view my profile for job and career related tips. Also, any job seek advice that you need to land your next opportunity. Talk soon. Bye for now. Okay, so I'm able to rewatch what I just created. I'm not sure if it gives you an ability to filter. I'm kind of using this for the first time with you guys on here. You could add text if you want to add text. So I could say something like, hey, or hello, thanks for visiting my profile. Okay, I can add that. And then I can play it back so I can see what it looks like. If anything, I'm going to click the blue button to go next. It's going to adjust to see where the preview is. So I want to make sure that my head is completely aligned in the photo. And then I'm going to click add to profile. And then it says cover story preview may take a few minutes to appear. And as you could see, now my profile has an orange ring around my profile picture. And this orange ring pretty much signifies to people when they jump onto my profile that I have a video that's going to introduce myself. So people can actually click on that and view my cover story. Hey there, my name is Cindy Makita Dodd, career strategist and coach. Very cool. So that's how you can create your LinkedIn cover story. Remember the 3 media that you can add to your LinkedIn profile to make your profile pop. So the first is your banner. The second is to add links, an example to other media and external work through your featured section. And then lastly is to add that LinkedIn cover story. And let's go into step number 3 to make your LinkedIn profile stand out. Number 3 is to be intentional about your activity. A new section that LinkedIn has moved closer to the top of your profile, but it also takes up a lot more space, is your activity on LinkedIn. This shows people that are viewing your profile your recent activity on LinkedIn. This means that anytime you comment on a post, make a new post, or engage with someone else's activity, this is going to show up in your activity section for anybody that views your profile to see. It takes up quite a large area of your profile because LinkedIn is prioritizing content creation. And so you want to make sure that you are intentional about what activity you engage in on the platform. The last thing a recruiter or employer wants to see is you leaving a negative or inappropriate comment on a post that you recently saw. So be very intentional that others can see your activity when viewing your profile. The great part about this activity section is that you can utilize it to your advantage. Here are some good practices. First, you want to engage with others on the platform. Maybe you want to comment on industry-related articles that others post, or add value to your dream company's posts, or giving credit or acknowledging an achievement. When a recruiter sees that this is the type of content that you are engaging with, it actually gives you some brownie points. You can also create your own posts to showcase your expertise on a certain career or industry-related topic, and to showcase your passion and interests. This is an area that not too many job seekers think about, but it can either boost your chances or completely destroy your chances with a company. So be very intentional about your activity section and how you engage on the platform. And so to recap, the 3 simple ways that you can create the best LinkedIn profile so you can get more views and stand out as a job candidate. The first is to optimize what people see first. Make sure that you have a great headshot and that your headline has specific keywords that recruiters and employers are looking for. Second, use media to make your profile pop. Utilize a banner that showcases your personal brand and personality. Use the featured section to link to photos or examples of your work. And lastly, you also want to leverage LinkedIn's cover story feature where you can add a video to introduce yourself to the potential employer. Lastly, make sure that you are intentional about your activity, because however you engage on the platform is going to show up on your profile for recruiters and employers to see. So leverage this to your advantage. I hope that you found this video useful. If you did, please give it a like and leave me a comment below. I would love to know what some of your takeaways were. Make sure that you click that subscribe button so whenever I post a new video, you are the first to know about it. As usual, because you stayed right until the end, I have a free resource for you. Click the link right below this video for a free download that is going to help you accelerate toward your dream job and get noticed for opportunities. Click that link right below this video and I will see you very soon. Bye for now.